Welcome to the Blue Horizons module on sustainable water practices. Water is critical for life on Earth, for people, for nature, and for the climate. Yet despite its importance, water is often wasted and taken for granted. Around the world, more than 2 billion people live in countries experiencing water stress, and the way we use water every day affects communities near and far. In this module, you will learn how the water cycle works, what causes water scarcity, and how your personal choices, from the food you eat to the products you use, can reduce or increase your water footprint. So let's start with the basics. The water cycle and where our water comes from. The water cycle is nature's recycling system. Through evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection, water keeps moving and renewing itself. But not all water is easy to access. Only about 1% of Earth's water is available for human use, and that small amount is under pressure from pollution, overuse and climate change. In this module, you will also learn how water stress affects different regions of the world, from dry areas in the Middle East and Africa to cities like Cape Town and Los Angeles. Understanding the science of water and the inequalities in how it is accessed helps us see why conservation matters. In this part of Module 3, you will also be introduced to key global maps and examples, helping you to connect the facts to the real-world water challenges faced by millions of people today. Now, let's bring it closer to home. What is your personal impact on water use? This part of Module 3 will introduce the idea of the water footprint, the total amount of water used to produce the food you eat, the clothes you wear, and the products you use every day. In the face-to-face workshop, you will use an interactive calculator to measure your own water footprint and learn about some other surprising water costs of common items. If you don't attend this face-to-face session, don't worry. The link to the calculator is available in the further reading section of the online module. You will also explore practical, realistic ways to reduce your own footprint, from eating less meat to fixing leaks and choosing reusable products. Every action counts, and small changes in your daily habits can make a big difference when it comes to protecting our planet's most precious resource. Take a moment to think about your day so far. How many times have you used water without even noticing? From your morning shower and brushing teeth to cooking and cleaning, we rely on water constantly. But beyond the tap, our habits also influence water use globally. This module aims to support you to become more conscious of that connection. Thanks for joining us. Now that you've watched this video, we encourage you to dive a little deeper by completing the online module and taking part in the face-to-face workshop.